welcome back, and today we have some Born Pretty PR. Born Pretty reached out to me again and asked me if I'd like to try some more polishes, and of course I said yes. So this is the, let me see, I don't think it has it on it, but I think it's from the Glass series. And here we have 6 gorgeous polishes. And let's check them out. Get them out of here. So here we go. And let's take a look at these. We have BPCA01. It looks like I think it's probably a yellow jelly. And then we have BPCA02, which is, I'm assuming, going to be an orange jelly. It's very pretty. And then we have BPCA03. And, ooh, that's a gorgeous red jelly, almost like a purplish hue to it. And then we have BPCA04. I'm assuming this is going to be a glitter. Ooh, and it definitely is a glitter. Can you see that? And then BPCA05, which I'm going to guess is a deep, dark brown. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to see these swatched, y'all. BPCA06, which is an even deeper brown. Ooh, it's like dark chocolate. Beautiful. So we will get to swatching these in just a second. So here we go with swatching, and let me remind you, if you don't already know, Born Pretty is 11 toxin-free, cruelty-free, low-odor, vegan, non-toxic, long-lasting, up 21 days or more, and gentle formula, and a high-quality polish, at least in my opinion. So here we have BPCA01, and y'all, this is gorgeous. It's like glass. It's like a yellowish orange color. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have BPCA02. Ooh, that is a gorgeous orange. Look at that. I don't have any really orange jellies, so this is super exciting and super pretty. And then we have BPCA03, and I'm super excited for this red. I want to see how it looks, if it's really got that purple tone to it. Ooh, and it absolutely does have a little bit of a purplish tone to this red. And, oh, I don't know if you can see it, but oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that purple tone, but it has got a little hint of purplish in it. And then we have BPCA04, which is our glitter. And it's got, it's a brown, but it's got a lot of gold flake in it, both big and small flake. Now let me get those big flakes on there. Absolutely stunning. Can you see those gold flakes? So pretty. And then we have BPCA05, which is like a medium brown. There's something on my swatch stick, y'all. Okay, so this is a beautiful brown. And y'all, these would be great fall colors. Absolutely great fall colors. So that is a beautiful brown color. I don't know if you can tell. And then we have BPCA06, which is the dark chocolate brown. I keep getting hairs, y'all. My dog is shedding everywhere. Ooh, so y'all, that's a super beautiful chocolate brown color. Alright, so let's cure those, and we will be back in just a minute with a second coat. Alright, so here we have one coat of each, and I'll hold that so you can see them better. Very, very beautiful, and it's awesome set. I love the subtle change in color between the different colors. So let's go ahead and do a second coat. So we are going to start back from the first one, and I'm knocking stuff around. So here we have the second coat of this gorgeous yellow. And orange. Yeah, these are gorgeous. I really didn't have much in the way of jelly colors, so I'm really super excited about these jelly colors I've been getting. And of course this red. I love this red, y'all. It's simply stunning. It's got kind of, definitely got a purplish pink hue to it. Not a true red, but so gorgeous. That is going to be so pretty, y'all. Okay, and our gorgeous glitter one with the gold flake in it. Can you see all that gold flake? And then our lighter brown. Definitely absolutely stunning. I don't have much in the way of browns, so these browns are super exciting to me, y'all. And the dark chocolate brown. This one is so pretty, y'all. It's just absolutely stunning. And it shocks me that it being as dark as it is, you can still see through it. Okay, so let's cure those. And here's this Born Pretty Super Shiny top coat, which we're going to go ahead and top coat these. I can't get over these. These are so pretty. I got a little too much on there, y'all. And as usual, there's a little bit of bleeding, but not too much. I'm putting that top coat on a little thick today. And super pretty. These are going to be stunning with the top coat on, y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and cure those. Okay, so here's all the colors with two coats and top coat on them. Absolutely gorgeous. So while we're waiting, I'm going to go ahead and I want to do a little experiment to see how these work on a white background. Okay, so this white has a matte top coat on it, and we're going to go ahead and check out and see what these colors look like on the white. Just for reference point, because I want to see just how beautiful they really are. And that, well, I think the white will really make them stand out. And y'all, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that gorgeousness, y'all. Wow. Maybe do a little bit of a French here. It's not going to be perfect because I'm just not worried about it being perfect right now, but wow, y'all. Can you see how beautiful that is? It's definitely got an orangish tone to it. It's a kind of a yellowish orange. Absolutely stunning. And let's go for this orange. Yeah, that is a true orange. Kind of like a pumpkin orange. Y'all, my dogs are being barky today. I'm sorry about that. I apologize in advance in case they decide to go crazy. Okay, now for the red. Y'all, I can't get over how pretty these are. And excuse my shaking. I don't know why I'm shaking so bad today. It's one of those days, I guess. Not the best French, but it'll do. And I'm going to do the lighter brown on this one. See how pretty that is? It's kind of like a lighter chocolate color. And I'm not real great with these jellies yet, so you'll have to excuse that they're streaking a little bit, but that is on me, not the product. And this now we're going to do half and half with the glitter on one side and the dark chocolate brown on the other side. Some more of those glitters on there, y'all. Sorry, I keep kind of drifting in and out of the screen. Trying to pay attention to what I'm doing here. I'm going to do a little ombre Not a perfect ombre, but okay, let's go ahead and cure all those. Okay, that is one coat on the white. That's kind of what they look like. So let's do one more coat and then I will let you go. And if you like these colors, y'all, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can check them out for yourself. And I'll also leave my code on there, Barbie 10, so Barbie G10, so you can save some coins while you're checking out these gorgeous polishes. You know, that white background is just absolutely beautiful on these. And again, there's a hair. So that's 2 coats. And I'm not making these perfect, I just want you to be able to see what they look like on a white background. And we have our beautiful pinkish purple red. Y'all, this red is just killing me. I'm loving it. Just so absolutely gorgeous. There you go. And our orange is so pretty. That's 2 quotes of our orange. And our yellow. It's kind of like a squash yellow. Not a true yellow, but I'm okay with that because it is absolutely stunning. And I think the yellow and the orange would make an awesome ombre. Very subtle. And very beautiful. Okay. So let's cure these. Alright, so here we go with the final result. And I did 3 coats of each color and then the sparkle on top of it and a little bit of gold leaf. So absolutely gorgeous colors, y'all. And if you want to check them out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description box along with my code Barbie G10 so you can save some coins. Thank you for watching.